how quickly will I see result from my exercises? It depends on how fast you can make your eye muscles flexible. The eye workout, no dumbbells, just eyeballs. So you heard about exercises and wondering how fast will I start seeing results? Well, here's a $1 million answer. It depends. It's not like those instant diet pills. Eye exercises required patience, some good old-fashioned commitment, and believe it or not, a deep understanding how your eye muscles work. It's kind of like joining a gym, but for your face. No dumbbells required, just a whole lot of blinking, stretching, and switching eye focus. Feel the burn in your eyeballs. Now, if you're expecting to wake up tomorrow with superhero level vision, after one night of doing eye yoga, well, sorry to burst your bubble, results are tied to how fast you can tune into the feeling of your eye muscles. And yes, your eyeballs have muscles. They may not that big like a biceps, but they're doing a marathon every time you focus on your phone, then your computer, then your watch, and back to your phone. The trick is to become aware of these mini muscle movements. Think of it like your eyes running a 5K marathon when you scroll on your phone. You need to warm up, stretch, and feel the burning symptoms in your eyes. That's what eyes feeling after scrolling social media without conscious eye relaxation. The clear vision habits puzzle. You can do all the eye exercises in the world, but if you staring at screens for 10 hours straight and sleeping for 4 hours, you're not giving your eyes a fighting chance. Vision habits are like the secret sauce in this recipe for result. It's all about giving your eyes rest, looking away from screen every minute as a habit, and ensuring you are not constantly in a staring contest with your monitor. Accommodative spasms. Now here's the real kicker. Your eyes might be stuck in what's called accommodative spasms. Sound fancy, right? It's not. It's when your eye muscles are like, hey, I'm comfy focusing on this distance and I'm not moving an inch and everything far is blurry. This is spasm. It's like your eye muscle lock eye focus, for example, not more than 1 meter, and while adjust if you are looking at 5 meters. The faster you can get rid of this spasm, the faster you will see real results. Your eye muscles need to become flexible again to adjust focus at different distances. Spasmodic eye muscles basically say, we like only this focus distance and we are not working anymore. Eye muscles want to move but cannot, even brain sending signals to them. Getting rid of the spasm is a real game changer. Once your eyes realize, oh wait, we can focus on more than just 1 meter away, the results start showing up faster than a cat running away from the bathroom. But until then, you're stuck in a staring contest with your screens. Are you an eye muscle whisperer to you? Flexibility is the key, my friend. Your eyes should be able to focus on something far away, then something close, and then back again, like a pro. If your eye muscles are stiff and stubborn, it will take a bit longer to notice improvement. But with some persistence, you will start feeling those little shifts and become the eye muscle athlete. The patent stands. How quickly can you understand and implement? So how quickly will you see results? Well, how quickly can you understand and implement the right eye exercise techniques? If you are consistent and can tap into the feel of eye muscles, adjust your habits, and work through that blurry accommodative spasm, then you might start seeing changes within few months. If you're inconsistent and prefer to wait for a miracle, well, you might be stuck squinting for a while longer. Check out Eyesight Academy course with eye workouts plan for effective eye health improvement. Eye focus training. And when it comes to eye exercises, it's all about eye focus, like literal focus. Getting your eyes to shift smoothly from near to far and everywhere in between. It's what we are aiming for here. But focusing while doing exercises take practice. And let's face it, you wouldn't get there overnight. You will have good days when your vision feels crisp and clear, and then days where it feels like your eyeballs tired. The key is to stay consistent. Keep practicing, and slowly but surely those eye muscles will come out from accommodative spasm, and you will see the difference. Final verdict. When will you see results? When will you start seeing results from eye exercises? The truth is, it depends on you. Your speed of progress hinges on how quickly you can master the eye training techniques, flex those eye muscles, and kick the accommodative spasm out of your eyeballs. If you are a quick learner, you could be seeing changes within the weeks. But remember, it's a journey, kind of like getting a six-pack. Only this time, it's for your eyes. And hey, seeing the world in high definition without the need of glasses, now that is a goal worth eye exercising for.